Hello friends, myself Vijay Solanki and you are watching Something of Everything. In today's video we will see how to create helical stirrups in any CAD software. It is useful in pile reinforcement or anywhere where you want the helical kind of things. To do that, let us create some construction lines, vertical construction lines, one at midpoint and one at offset of stirrup from the main reinforcement. Now type the command helix. Press enter, select the center point, select the offsetted point as the base radius and the top radius. Now press A for axis endpoint and select the endpoint to the top of the pile. Now delete the construction lines, select the helix that you have just created, go to constraint and type the height and write down twice the spacing of zero in the turn height. Turn height is basically a one turn completion height. As your spacing is 150, you have to add the turn height as 300. Let us check whether the spacing is correct or not. If it is almost 150, the spacing is perfect. Now, as you know, the stirrup can't be at the bottom of the pile, so we have to just take the start point to somewhat above, then point to somewhat below the member, and your helical stirrup is completed. Thank you for watching this video. Do like the same and share with your colleagues, classmates or friends. Do subscribe our channel and press